Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain encryption. So encryption type, one is Microsoft managed key, another is customer managed key. So Microsoft managed key is the default option. It is managed by Microsoft only. Another is customer managed key. So when I click on this, we can read this storage account will be grant access to the selected key vault. Both soft delete and purge protection will be enabled on key vault and cannot be disabled. So key vault is another service, so we need to use that service when we have to use customer managed key. So it's better to leave this because as a data engineer we don't need to go into the deep of infrastructure. Okay, next is enable support for customer managed key. So like example, if we go with the Microsoft managed key or customer managed key, then we have to define whether we want encryption at blob and file only or all service type. Okay, so this is option we have to choose. Next is enable infrastructure encryption. So let's hover and see. By default, Azure encrypt storage account data at rest. Infrastructure encryption add a second layer of encryption to your storage account data. So when we click this, it will provide another layer of encryption. So these things we don't need to worry about because this is the last section, almost last section. um, Again, I am repeating, as a data engineer we don't need to worry about this advanced part, networking part, data protection part because to work on this kind of things, every company has a infrastructure team, security team, as cloud engineer team. This is not a work of data engineer. Our work is to work on the files, data sets, dedicated pools in apps, dataset creation, creating pipeline, this kind of things. We should not be worried about infrastructure level and security level. Okay, next is the tag. So this is just optional, it's not mandatory. We can give the tag, and based on the tag we can search this storage account in Azure. Okay, next is review. So in the review, we have to see all the option and then we can create. So here it is showing validation failed because in the basic I have not given any name. So let's give this name. Okay, let's see. Go to the here, resource name, review. Now it is running final validation. So it is fine. Now when I click on this I can create. So but I don't want to create this because I already have some storage account and I am going to use that storage account in the further videos. Thank you.